The hard part is over. You've bought a house. Congratulations! Now, let's protect that investment. While owning a home is an amazing accomplishment, it does come with some responsibilities, including continued maintenance. Here are some of the biggest maintenance items that every owner should be checking off the list every year. Number 1, your HVAC system. Your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems should be checked annually to make sure that they're performing optimally. Any furnace filters you may have need to be changed every few months in the winter, so make sure that you're on top of that. Number 2, your water heater. I may not be doing this exactly right, but we should be checking and draining these annually, and if you can't, every other year works. Number 3, your sump pump. If you do have one of these in your property, at least twice a year, pour a little bit of water into the basin just to make sure that it's working properly. If you need a contractor or a maintenance specialist, give us a call today because we want to be your #1 real estate resource for any of your homeownership needs. Stay ahead of repairs. Your future self will thank you. Give us a call today.